Hi guys, today we're going to be making a video and we're going to be playing Enemy Cross 2. Okay, hopefully guys, my goal is to get to 100 subscribers for my birthday, and I hope you guys can do that for me. Okay, and we're going to be playing Enemy Cross 2. We're going to be playing with, forgot her name. What's her name again? Morigina? Yeah, I think Morigina. Yeah. Okay, let's get off here. Okay. Whoa! Morigina. I just got her today. My friends helped me on my private server. There we go. Guys, I'm recording on Mikey. Well, not on Mikey, but on Screencastle Mag. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry if this video is a little bit laggy, because if it's laggy, then it's just the recorder. It's not the computer. Okay. Ooh, mosquitoes. Yeah. Okay, love mosquitoes. Hey, don't you dare. Don't double No. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna join another server. Guys, I'm joining another. That was it. I'm joining another server. I just have to. Get on my private server. How do I want to get my private server? Anyway, I'm making a YouTube vid right now. Gonna be in it. Join my private server. Oh, okay. I guess I'll just go on my private server. My cousin said he's gonna join. Wait, let me call him right now.
Please leave your message for...
Oh, he didn't answer. So I guess he's not gonna be in. Are you gonna sub to my YT channel? Trick ya! Do you have an email? Do you have an email? Email. 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 Oh, watch the fight ball. Gotta be careful. I know. Yep, I know how to use it now. You're surprised now. Woo! Guys, I really hate using a girl, but it was the only good character because she's like punch right in the face. Okay. Okay. MOP, right? Spamsy, 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 spamsy. Hey, stop, jeez. Okay. I won again, guys. See, I'm OP with this character. No, I'm doing a YT vid about this character. Sure. Guys, he's using Meliitis right now. Okay. Don't trick me. I can find you. Guys, she's so OP, she can find people that's like hiding. See, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He's over there. You see that where that second circle is? He's over there. See? That's how OP she is. That's how OP she is. This is X. ZX. See? Looks like she lost her leg. And gotta wait till my awakening fills up. Gotta wait for my awakening to fill up. And this is Might of a Vanillus. That's how she starts to transform. And I just turned it off. You can barely, like, see it. You can barely notice, like, if she's transforming or not. Oh gosh, my video's almost over. Guys, I can only go for 15 minutes, so. What the heck? Look how much damage she does. Look at that. Look at that. Seriously, she does a lot of damage, guys. Seriously. Guys, I can't lie. This character is OP. This is one of the new characters that the creators rolled out. So I'm gonna go to her stats and add some more damage. Okay. Hurry up. Okay. Okay, let me go to her. Stats. Boost the damage up. 159. This is one of my best characters. I don't know what next video is gonna be on, but I'm gonna be making videos daily now on, cause I need some subscribers. Where the heck am I? Oh, this is the bridge. Oh, it's probably down. 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 It's down. Okay. Bam! Bam! You can just spam Z like that. Boom, he's dead. You can just spam Z like that. That's how good she is. Point awarded. Okay. To watch video. Yeah. So I can still watch it. My YT channel is my name. Space. That's my technique, spamming Z. Use her then. Use her then. That's basically my technique, you spamming Z. Okay. Let's... Oh no, okay. What character are you using now? Shoto! 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 Oh gosh. I'm ready though. Ready, Eddie. Ready, Eddie, 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 Eddie.